Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to fix iPhone personal hotspot is missing problem. So for this, check cellular data is turned on. For this, go to settings. As you can see, personal hotspot is missing. Now what you have to do, go to mobile service or cellular data, turn it on. Ensure cellular data or mobile service is turned on. Now go back. As you can see, personal hotspot is now visible. The second fix is to toggle personal hotspot. For this, go back to settings again, tap on personal hotspot, turn it off and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on again. The third fix is change phone number. For this, go to settings home page, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. In general, do not tap on transfer or reset, tap on about. Now tap on name and change it to something different. Change phone name. Tap on name and change it to something different. The fourth fix is reset network setting. For this, go to general. Now this time tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Now finally tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode. Enter screen time passcode. And simply reset your network settings. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.